Hey everyone. We are going to learn about the C programming. This is our first video, and first we will start with installing the IDE for our C programming. We will be using the dep C++. So dep C++ IDE for C programming. Okay. Okay, let's install it. Okay, next, and we have to install it. So since we are learning from beginning, so we use dep C++. And we are going to learn everything in depth. So I hope you will get benefit from the every part of the course of C programming. So it is installing. Okay, let's run it. Hmm. Okay, I click next. Okay, the first we will create a new file, new source file. Okay, let's save it somewhere. This PC. Okay, I will be using the D drive. Okay, so I create a folder name C programming course. C programming. Okay, and I name my first C program. Oh, wait. My first C program C. So when saving the files of C program, so we use .c extension. For comments, we use double slash for single line, and for multi-line comments, we use asterisk. Okay, so yeah, we use this. So let's code our first program in C. So hashtag include IO stream. So it means includes our header files. In every C program, we are doing this because hashtag include sorry, it's C plus hashtag include stdio dot h stdioh, which means standard input output dot header file. Then we will be using main function. So main function is the function we will be writing in every C program, and we will write printf hello world. And since it is integer, we have to use return 0. Now let's run it. Compiled. And now let's run it. So we get the output. So in this session, we will be learning everything from the scratch. So in this session, we just learn about how to install the IDE. So for the entire course, we will be using the Dev C++ IDE, and thank you everyone. So that's all for now.